Next global indicator is PN. PN means North Pacific. It is applicable when our passenger is traveling via Pacific Ocean. Now we'll understand this through this map. It is applicable when our journey is between Southwest Pacific and South America via North America, or South America to Southwest Pacific via North America. But here one condition is then what that condition says: when you are traveling from Southwest Pacific to North America, that flight should be the direct flight. Now I'll try to understand more through these examples. It says Maracaibo, Managua, Calgary and Sydney. Maracaibo, Managua, Calgary and Sydney. Now we have to find out whether this itinerary is satisfying the condition of PN or not. Now PN says your journey should be between Southwest Pacific and South America. Now Sydney is in Australia, means our PN itinerary has to satisfy three conditions. Very first is our journey between Southwest Pacific and South America. So now Sydney is in Southwest Pacific, that means it has satisfied the very first condition. And Maracaibo is in Venezuela, Venezuela is in South America. That means it has satisfied the second condition also. The third condition is it should be via North America. Now Calgary is in Canada. That means it has satisfied the via condition also. So we will consider the PN global indicator for this itinerary. Next is Auckland, Seattle, Havana and Kane. Auckland, Seattle, Havana, Kane. Now we have to find out whether this itinerary is satisfying the PN condition or not. For PN, your itinerary has to should be between Southwest Pacific and South America. That means our itinerary has to satisfy three conditions. Very first is Southwest Pacific. Yes, Auckland is in Australia and Australia is in Southwest Pacific. That means it has satisfied the origin condition. Now we'll check the destination condition. Kane is in French Guiana. French Guiana is in South America. That means it has satisfied the destination condition also. Now we'll check for the via condition. Seattle is in USA and US is in North America. That means it has satisfied the via condition also. So for this itinerary, the global indicator will be PN.